Okay, okay, it's a bit smart. Conquer it. Yes, let's do it with some of that action. Dang, that was a little rough, but that was cool. Well, it can get over a 2x4. Okay, let me just... Yeah, jump over that. Jump over there. No? Well, I'm gonna do some remapping since I moved the base station. But, you saw two of, like, the biggest features of the Mova. Just there, just then. The extending, brush to get into the corners. You saw it do it by itself. And, the extendy legs that help it get over thresholds and some bumps or carpet. So it can raise up so that it can go on carpet smoother, so it doesn't get stuck. And it also has the cover for the roller that comes down and covers the roller on carpet. So that's really good for carpet. It keeps it dry, and it keeps the robot running and moving around smoothly. And then, yeah, there's the collapsible LiDAR, or the radar sensor. I don't know what it is specifically, but really nice design. I think that's basically some of the most coolest features that the Mova Z60 has.